Hey guys, Kirk here from Treehouse 51, and in this video I'm going to show you how to install Gutenberg on your WordPress website and what we think about it. So step number 1, log into the back end of your website and scroll down to where it says plugins and add new. Step number 2, type in Gutenberg over here on the right side. This plugin will show up and you'll notice right away that it has 2.5 stars. So let me quickly tell you what Gutenberg is while we install this. Gutenberg is WordPress's response to platforms like Wix, where they have page builders. And so that's all this is. So now Gutenberg is activated. So I want to jump over here to a page that we have open so you can see what the old page builder looks like. This is something all of us are familiar with: the title, the contents, the sections on the right side, and this is what the page looks like. So now let's check out what it looks like making a new page in Gutenberg. So go over to the left side where it says pages, and we're going to add a new page. And you'll notice right away that the Gutenberg framework that we see right here is a lot more modern. Not a lot of information is there, but actually everything on this page is the same information that's on this page. It's just in different spots now. So let's go ahead and let's create some content and let's see what this looks like. And one of the new features about this platform that WordPress really helps is going to take off is the ability to add boxes quickly. So just like Wix or even WordPress plugins like Elementor, just go over here where it says add block, and then you have the option to add some stuff. So let's add a quote and let's see what this looks like. Alright, and let's quickly say publish the page. And let's check out what this page looks like. So what I want to tell you quickly are the pros and cons of what I think about Gutenberg. The biggest pro from Gutenberg that I like is this block navigation tab on top that quickly takes you to the sections of the page that you want to edit. So I appreciate that. I also appreciate what WordPress is trying to do by adding a page builder to the site. So all these different options you have here, I won't read these to you, but you can quickly see them. They're making it a little easier for users to use WordPress and develop within their framework. So again, this is a response to platforms like Wix. My biggest complaint about Gutenberg is just how this page looks. For me, it's just really hard to navigate and find stuff, but I guess that's why they have this button right here on top, which I do appreciate. And for all we know, there might be somebody working on a plugin to add some lines and separators on this framework to make it just a little bit easier to navigate within the page. Would I recommend you upgrading your WordPress website to Gutenberg? At this time, what I would actually recommend is setting up a development site. And we do have another YouTube video where we talk about how to set up a development site on Pantheon and installing Gutenberg on there and playing around with this platform and getting familiar with it. I really think that my dislike for it isn't that much of a big deal, and I'm probably just going to take a little bit of time to get used to where the spots are. Let me know what you guys think about this video, your thoughts on Gutenberg, what you like, what you dislike about it, and let us know what video you'd like to see next. We read all the comments and we try to respond to everybody. Thanks guys.